Welcome to Reboot Your Life. This is the fifth video that I'm sharing with you, and the topic for this video is education and the skills along with hobbies. Remember, hobbies are important. Many of us complained that the current education system in India is not productive. It's too much of a waste. I disagree with it. Being an Indian and brought up in a specific system where I was forced to recite tables and poems, my memory became sharp. By studying various languages, I was exposed to various types of literature which otherwise I would have missed. The kind of pressure that I had during my engineering made me immune to pressure. Now I can keep calm in the most difficult conditions and still maintain a cool. I have worked in India and the Middle East, and there is a difference in culture. India being a shortage oriented economy and Middle East being a place of abundance, I was able to manage things in an economical way which was not expected and it was unheard of. So that got me some accolades from the colleagues. Your education system matters. Whatever you have studied, wherever you have studied, it matters. You need to use it best for your advantage. In my books of history, I studied Boston's Tea Party, in which the Americans threw the tea from England into the sea and it became a coffee nation. It helped me connect with an American who was from Boston. I told him, "Oh, I know the Tea Party of Boston." "Oh, yeah. That's what he said. Another man was from Vancouver and I told him, "Oh, I know the weather from Vancouver." And he was puzzled, like, "Oh, it's same as Mumbai, it's same as Bombay." "Oh, great, fine. You will be comfortable over there." Yeah, that's what his reaction was. So please try to understand whatever is history, civics, geography, whatever you study, whatever tables you learn, whatever algebra, geometry that you have studied is useful. We have to see how best we can put it to use for you. Leverage is important. Leverage is the key for quick growth if applied properly. And we help you in getting the leverage. We help you to understand your strong points and help you get the leverage. That's what we do. That's what we are here for. So once again, thank you for listening to this video. Thank you for being with us and welcome to Reboot Your Life.